Welcome back to the Tanna TechBiz YouTube channel. If you are looking for a compact yet powerful embedded AI system capable of handling robotics, machine vision, autonomous systems, and edge AI applications, today's video is for you. Today, we are unboxing the Tanna TechBiz Eagle 201 embedded AI system, powered by the NVIDIA Jetson Orin Nano 8GB module with super mode support. Let's open the box and see what comes inside. Inside the package, you'll find Tanna TechBiz Eagle 201 embedded AI system. Everything is securely packed and ready for deployment. Taking our first look at the Eagle 201, the compact industrial enclosure immediately stands out. Let's explore the front panel. First, we have the power button, providing quick system startup and shutdown. Next is the USB Type-C port, dedicated exclusively for high-speed data transfer. Moving across, we find the Gigabit Ethernet port, supporting up to 1000 megabits per second networking for reliable industrial communication. Besides that are 4 USB 3.0 Type-A ports. These ports allow you to connect AI cameras, LiDAR sensors, external SSDs, keyboard and mouse, USB AI devices, development accessories. High-speed USB connectivity ensures smooth data transfer for AI applications. Now let's look at the remaining connectivity options. The Eagle 201 features a DisplayPort output, allowing you to connect an external monitor for development and visualization. Powering the system is a DC power jack, supporting an input voltage from 9 to 19 volts, with a maximum current of 5 amps max. For AI vision projects, the Eagle 201 includes two MIPI-CSI 2-lane 22-pin camera connectors, enabling direct integration of high-speed cameras for computer vision and robotics. You'll also find a dedicated reset button for quick system reboot. The board also features a 16-pin multifunction header, providing additional button and interface connections. It includes a 40-pin GPIO expansion header, supporting interfaces such as GPIO, I2C, SPI, UART, I2S. This makes it easy to connect sensors, motor controllers, displays, and custom embedded hardware. Wireless connectivity is supported through dual Wi-Fi antenna connectors, paired with an M.2 slot for compatible Wi-Fi and Bluetooth modules such as the RTL8822CE. If you don't want to use it, you can put rubber tape on it so it looks better. For storage, there's an M.2 slot, supporting 2280 NVMe SSDs, giving you fast storage for operating systems, AI models, datasets, and applications. Onboard features include 4-pin PWM fan connector, CAN interface, recovery mode, RTC connector supporting a CR1220 battery. These features make the Eagle 201 suitable for industrial automation and robotics projects. Now let's talk about the heart of this system. The Eagle 201 is powered by the NVIDIA Jetson Orin Nano 8GB module, supporting the latest super mode. Here's what you get. Up to 67 TOPS Sparse AI performance. Up to 33 TOPS Dense AI performance. The GPU features 1024 NVIDIA CUDA cores, 32 Tensor cores. GPU frequency up to 1020 MHz. Up to 10 FP16T flops. The CPU includes a 6-core ARM Cortex-A78AE version 8.2 64-bit CPU with CPU max frequency at 1.7 GHz. For dedicated AI acceleration, the onboard deep learning accelerator delivers up to 67 Sparse INT8 TOPS, 33 dense INT8 TOPS. Memory bandwidth reaches an impressive 102 GB per second, enabling efficient processing of high-resolution video streams and AI inference workloads. The module supports multiple configurable power modes: 15 watts, 25 watts, max and super mode. This flexibility allows developers to balance power efficiency with maximum performance. The Tanna TechBiz Eagle 201 embedded AI system is designed for use in applications such as smart toll with ANPR, smart surveillance, industrial automation, crowd monitoring, smart lab, smart healthcare. Its compact size and industrial-grade connectivity make it easy to integrate into both prototype and production environments. That concludes the quick unboxing of the Tanna TechBiz Eagle 201 embedded AI system. If you enjoyed this video, please like and share it, and subscribe to the Tanna TechBiz YouTube channel for more videos. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.